Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Progressive customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there is address bar. You need to type down progressive.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage of Progressive, you need to scroll a bit down. Then you can find this contact us here, select that. From the contact us, you can also go to this virtual assistance and you can chat. If you have any issue, you can simply type down the issue and go to the send here. And after that, you'll get the assistance from here. And if you need more help, you can go to this call us here, which is available from 24/7 here. And for the customer service, you can simply dial to this number here for the general customer service. And before contacting the support, make sure you have a policy or account information ready for verification. And never share your password or security codes. And that is it. That is how you can contact Progressive customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.